In this video we will explain the color spray machine. In the beginning, this is the on-off switch. This lamp is used to measure volts and amperes. This is the emergency button. Machine speed, button to control the required piece's rotation speed. Button, piece rotation speed. To control the speed of rotation of the piece around itself, to start the cycle, press the start key. Stop switch. Stops the cycle after the two pieces in front of the spray gun are sprayed. Temperature controller, responsible for controlling the temperature in the dryer. This button is to control the on and off temperature controller. This is the home page of the screen where it is located. Tests. Admin. Settings. Operation. First, I will explain the tests icon. In it, I test every part of the machine before starting operation. Movement button to test the piston movement up and down. Spray 2, Spray 1. To test the operation of the first and second gun. Then we test the second spray gun. Object rotation, button to test the piece's rotation around itself. Right rotation button to test the tray's rotation around itself to the right. Left rotation, button to test the rotation of the plate around itself to the left. Plate rotation button, rotates the plate to the spray position. Complete spray process, button. Where you can do a complete spraying process at once. Where you can test the spraying of a single piece and calibrate the rotation plate position sensor under the machine. All this for the tests. Now I will explain the settings icon. First, monitor. Through it, I can know whether every part of the machine is working or not. The green lamp is on and the red lamp is off. Time and date, icon to know the time and date. Alarms warnings, icon. If any alarm occurs in the machine, it appears here. We press the reset button to return the machine to its normal state. The last and most important thing in this interface is the enables icon. In it, I activate each part of the machine separately. Right rotation, left rotation. Where I can control the rotation of the plate to the right or left. If you do any direction, the other direction is automatically cancelled. If you do left rotation, the piece is sprayed first and then put into the dryer. If you do right rotation, the piece goes into the dryer first and then the piece is sprayed. I can activate each gun individually or together from the Spray 1 and Spray 2 buttons. If you press the movement button, the actuator will go up and down when spraying. If you press the time button, the part will be sprayed and the actuator will be fixed in place. All this was for the enables page. Here are explained the enables, monitor, alarms warnings. Then we move to operation. First, spray time. The spray time button is off, because I activated the movement button and not the time button through which I can control the time required to spray the piece. It is based on the largest diameter of the piece. After that, spray repetitions. Here I can control it. It is calculated as follows. Go up once and go down once, if you make it 2 for example. The gun will spray when going up and down. If you make it 1 only, the gun will only spray when going up. After that, spray delay, start. Any delay in spraying for a period after the start of actuator movement. For example, I delayed the start spray by 2 seconds, that is, when the piece stands in front of the spray gun, the actuator moves but the spray gun does not work until after 2 seconds. After that, spray delay, end. Any delay in spraying for a certain period after the actuator moves back. After that, delay time. After spraying the piece, do not move the plate until the specified time has passed, so that the item inside the dryer has more time to dry. Also to allow the worker to lift the piece and place another one. This is the page to save the product with all its settings. The existing spray values are saved in number 6. You can change its name. Then we click on Save. This button is to return to the main menu. This button is to switch between English and Arabic. This panel is for manual machine control. The first button is mixing motor, responsible for color mixing. Second, spray gun. Through it I can test the spray gun, also when preparing the color. Next, press the spray move button to test the actuator's rise and fall. Then press spray rotation button. It sprays one piece, but the pressure must be continuous. Water pump switch operates the water curtain. Blower button operates the suction motor to draw air towards the water curtain. Emergency button stops the machine. To return to normal mode, we turn the button.